Welcome to Quiz Madness. How much do you know about space and the universe? Test your knowledge with this fun and challenging quiz that I've put together. So if you are ready, let's get started. What is a supernova? Yeah, B, the explosion of a star. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? That's right, it's A, Venus. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? Correct, yeah. A, Titan. What force keeps planets in orbit around the sun? It's D, gravitational force. How many constellations are officially recognized by the International Astronomical Union? That's correct. It's A, 88. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Yeah, B, 8 minutes. What is the name of the first woman to go to space? Yeah, C, Valentina Tereshkova. What is the name of the space telescope that has provided detailed images of deep space? That was C, Hubble. Which planet has the shortest day? That would be B, Jupiter. Which planet is the furthest from the sun? Correct, yeah, it's C, Neptune. Which space mission first landed humans on the moon? That was B, Apollo 11. What is the process by which stars generate energy? Yeah, A, nuclear fusion. What are Saturn's rings primarily made of? That's right, B, ice and rock. What is the name of the first human-made object to reach interstellar space? It's A, Voyager 1. What is the name of the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? Yeah, it's A, Andromeda. What is a quasar? B, a massive black hole with bright energy. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? The answer is D, barred spiral. What is the densest planet in our solar system? That would be A, Earth. What are stars mostly made of? Correct, D, hydrogen and helium. What is the brightest star in the night sky? That's right, D. Sirius. Which spacecraft was the first to fly by Pluto? Yeah, A. New Horizons. Which planet has the most intense surface winds in the solar system? That's right, A. Neptune. What is the name of the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt? Correct, it's B. Ceres. How many Earths can fit inside the Sun? Correct, C. 1.3 million. Which planet is tipped on its side, with its axis almost parallel to its orbit? The answer is B. Uranus. What is the name of the first animal in space? Yeah, that was A. Laika. What is the term for a planet outside of our solar system? It's D. Exoplanet. What is the name of the theory that explains the formation of the universe? Yep, B. The Big Bang Theory. What is the name of the boundary surrounding a black hole beyond which no light or other radiation can escape? The answer is C. Event horizon. What is the name of the region from which long-period comets originate? Yeah, it's C. Oort cloud. How many planets in our solar system are classified as gas giants? That's right, yeah, B. 4. What is the phenomenon where the sun is directly overhead at noon at the equator called? That's B. Equinox. Which planet has polar ice caps made primarily of carbon dioxide? That's right, it's A. Mars. Which planet has the most elliptical orbit? That would be A. Mercury. Which planet has the most similar gravity to Earth? That's correct. C. Venus. How long is a day on Venus compared to Earth? Yeah, B. 243 Earth days. What is the term for a small rocky body that orbits the Sun? That would be B. An asteroid. How many natural satellites does Earth have? Yeah, A. Only one. What is the term for the phase of the moon when it appears completely illuminated? Of course, yeah. D. Full moon. What is the main component of the sun? Correct. It's C. Hydrogen. What is the term for the study of the universe as a whole? That would be A. Cosmology. What is the term for a rocky or metallic object that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up? You got it. C. A meteor. What is the average surface temperature of Neptune? It's D. Minus 214 degrees Celsius. What is the approximate time it takes for light to travel across the Milky Way? Yeah, B. 100,000 years. What color is the sunset on Mars? The answer is A. Blue. What happens to time near a black hole? That's right, A. It slows down. Which planet rotates backwards? That would be A. Venus. Which moon might have life? Correct. C. Europa. Which planet has the strongest magnetic field? It's A. Jupiter. How many confirmed moons does Saturn have? Answer is D. 146. So how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and please hit the thumbs up button if you had fun. Thank you so much for playing.